first big project with MSU was looking at shipping and handling, and how can we keep trees fresh? How can we work to maintain the freshness that the consumers desire when it comes to putting the tree in their home? And so we've done a lot of trials with MSU. We've looked at coning on Fraser fir and finding ways to reduce coning. We've helped establish and set up a seed orchard on the MSU campus. We've looked at herbicide, irrigation. We've integrated pest management. It's the business side, it's the marketing side. And so in a full rounded perspective, MSU Extension really helps our farm, which then in turn also helps the industry. Michigan State University being our land grant institution, there's a foundation that takes place. And the more that we can come alongside and support the programs, whether it be through a millage, whether it be through attending classes, whether it be through, signing up for an email listserv. I mean, there's so many ways that we can further support MSU Extension, which then further supports our communities.
We do soil tests all the time. With our northern Michigan sandy soil, the soil test is really important. The big impact is with the research and the education that's available, and they make it so freely available. Michigan State has been there and continues, and the education and research continues.
About 2 million trees are harvested annually in Michigan, so we have a very large number of Christmas trees that are harvested. And so a lot of family farms are based around this, and a lot of jobs are based around this industry here in Michigan. The challenges Christmas tree growers are facing now is, you mentioned, a changing climate and more extreme weather events. So we're seeing lots of hot, dry weather in springtime when we usually get more rainy weather. So all those new Christmas trees that farmers are planting, with that hot, dry weather, are tending to get more trees that are dying off and being killed by that drought. Our researchers on campus have found a lot of interesting new ways to help growers implement practices to improve that tree's survivability during the first few years. Michigan is actually the #3 Christmas tree producing state in the whole country, so we're a very big player in terms of Christmas tree production. One of our areas of helping the Christmas tree industry as well as an extension educator is to help educate the general public about Christmas trees, about real Christmas trees, the benefits they provide for the environment, the benefits they provide as far as building those family traditions. We also educate consumers how best to take care of their trees. So picking the right tree, making sure you keep that tree watered and put in the proper place in your house. A lot of extension articles that go out, a lot of publications, a lot of bulletins. We do videos, webinars, fact sheets, you run the gambit. We have a lot of resources out there. The MSU Christmas Tree Extension team is here to help support our industry through education and outreach events.